Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your Pinterest profile private. Right, so if you want to make your Pinterest profile private, here's how to do it. Before I would show you, just one clarification. What are private Pinterest profiles? So as you can read here in the Help Center, private profiles won't appear in search results on Pinterest or in search engines like Google, but you can invite people you know to follow you. Right, so if you want to do this, first you have to open up, of course, your Pinterest account. So go to pinterest.com, sign in into your Pinterest account you want to make private. Then click on your profile icon on the top here, which will open up your Pinterest profile. And one important thing is that you have to have a personal Pinterest account to be able to make your Pinterest profile private. So if you have a business Pinterest account, you have to first switch back to a personal Pinterest account to be able to make your Pinterest profile private. If you don't know how to do that, I have another tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can check out on how to convert a business account to a personal Pinterest account. But if you have a personal Pinterest account, all you have to do is click on this drop-down arrow, select settings, then select profile visibility on the left here. And as you can see, here's where you can private your Pinterest profile. So one more time, when your profile is private, only the people you approve can see your Pinterest profile, pins, boards, followers, and following lists. So if you want to make your Pinterest profile private, just turn this on, then click on save. And as you can see, now our Pinterest profile is private. So now this is how you can make your Pinterest profile private. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to or make money with Pinterest checklist for free, or the Pinterest SEO growth checklist and other Pinterest marketing resources and deals, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use and grow your Pinterest account, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials on Pinterest marketing and other marketing platforms as well.